My name's Alyra. I work at Women Work in Community in Augusta, and I live in Manchester. So when I was 15 months old, I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. So I have to put insulin in my body via an insulin pump. When I was diagnosed, there weren't insulin pumps, it was just shots. And so I did that until I was about 10. And then when I was 10, I was able to get an insulin pump because my parents had insurance at that point in time. And that changed my life because it made it possible for me to control my blood sugars so much better than when I was on shots. And I could actually kind of eat normally, go to a friend's birthday party and be able to have cake for the first time, those types of things. And then my parents lost health insurance due to different, lifestyle pieces. As soon as I turned 20, I had absolutely no health insurance on any level. And so I was holding my insulin pump together with nail polish because I couldn't afford a new one. So when my pump started breaking and falling apart, I called my pump company to see if I could, one, is it still under warranty? And two, could I replace it? And I found out that it wasn't under warranty. To get a new pump, it would be around $9,000. I decided to try to call one of the new health insurance providers through the marketplace. I found out that they had a chronic illness support program. So that covers a number of different illnesses, and type 1 diabetes was one of them. And so there were no barriers to me getting health insurance, first of all, which was a big piece of the Affordable Care Act, which is wonderful. They couldn't deny me coverage because I have a pre-existing condition. And then I found out that my equipment would be covered and that my out-of-pocket maximum for the year would be $500. It also allows me to see my doctor, my endocrinologist, diabetes specialist, more often, which helps me maintain better control. I was able to go to the eye doctor, all these things that are so important for people with type 1 diabetes to have access to. So before this, I was spending almost $500 a month just to keep myself alive. So when I found out that I was going to receive coverage, I started crying. And then I remember, I called my mom, I called my grandma, I called, all these people that had been watching what was happening and, couldn't do anything to help. And it just, it was huge. It was life-changing.